Assalamu alaikum, grade 5 online with computers. Grade 5, now we are going to start chapter number 9, formatting and editing in MS Word 2010. And after reading this chapter, students will be able to discuss different points related to MS Word and its formatting and editing. Like this: insert different styles of text in a document, align the text, create numbered bulleted list, move copy the text, highlight the text, use format painter command, apply page border in MS Word, insert header and footer. First we discuss about what is format or formatting. Formatting means changing the appearance and arrangement of text in your document. Our first topic is how to insert different styles of text. To insert different styles of text, follow the given step. First step is click Home tab on the ribbon. This tab. After this ribbon opens on your computer screen. From Styles group, click the styles which you want to apply to your text. And to get more options, click this button. When you click this button, a gallery of different styles appears on your computer screen. Now you can set this style according to your choice. Aligning the text. Aligning means arranging the text in a straight line into correct relative positions. You can align your text left, center, right and justify. When you start typing in a document, all the text appears at the left margin by default. But after typing your text, you can change the position of your text according to your selection. To align the text to the right, follow the given step. Select the text which you want to align to the right. Like this. After selecting the text, click Home tab on the ribbon. Then click Align from Paragraph group. Select Right Align. The text is aligned right. To align the text to the center. Similarly, select the text which you want to align. Then click Home tab on the ribbon. After this, from Paragraph group, select the align which you want to select, like center. Your selected text appears in the center of the document. To justify the text, follow the given step. Justify means aligning the text to both left and right margin, like this. Select the text. After selecting the text, click Home tab on the ribbon and then click Justify option from Paragraph group. After justifying, your selected text appears in this form. Next one is numbered list. You can make a list of items by using numbered list and bullets. To make numbered list, follow the given step. First step is select the items, like this. After selecting the items, click Home tab on the ribbon and then click Numbering button from Paragraph group. Select the text like numbered, this and this. The selected items are numbered like this. Bullets. Assemble to add importance to a list of items in a document. Let's suppose you are making a list of your stationery items. You put a symbol or mark the items in the list. To make bulleted list, follow the given step. First step is select the items which you want to add bullets. After this, click Home tab on the ribbon, and then from paragraph group, click Bulleted Library. Then select the bullets style which you want to apply to your text. And this is the picture after applying the bullets to the items. How to move text in a document? Moving the text means changing the location of text from one place to another place, from one document to another document. To move the text, follow the given steps. Select the text which you want to move. After selecting the text, click Home tab on the ribbon, and then from clipboard group, click the cut option. After selecting the cut option, move the cursor to the place where you want to paste your text. The new location, select and click paste from the clipboard group like this, and your selected text now occupies the new location as it has been moved out of its previous place. How to copy the text in a document? Copying means to write the same text at several other places. To copy the text, follow the given step. Select the text which you want to copy, and then click Home tab on the ribbon. When you click Home tab, this ribbon appears. Click Copy option from clipboard group, and now move the cursor to the place where you want to paste this text. After selecting the new position, click the paste symbol from clipboard group. The selected text now appears at both locations, its original as well as its new location.